Hello, it's the Bell Makeovers here. So I'll be showing you how to groom your eyebrows today using razor blade, only razor blade. So you can do this in between your waxing or your threading appointments. Apart from razor blade, the other thing we are going to be using is the mascara wand or the spoolie brush, which we are going to be using to brush the brows from time to time. So you use the spoolie to brush your brows upwards, and then you start by cleaning the area around your brows. This is good especially for people with lots of hair on their face. So it helps to just make your brows look really neat when you finish. Then I brush the brows downwards and also trim, forming a straight line. You can see the straight line I created. Once you have your straight line, any hair that exceeds that line, when you brush it upwards again, that's the excess hair that you have to take off. So once you take that hair off, you are going to be left with that straight line. Can you see what just happened now? So I'm doing that all the way to the arc and to the tail area of the eyebrow. Then I'll brush again and proceed to the lower part of the eyebrow. For the lower part, the reverse is the case. For the upper part, we cleaned up around the brows before we carved it. But for the lower part, we're going to carve first, then we'll now clean up the area around it. For this part, you need to hold your blade flat against your skin so that it doesn't cut you. You can also use your hand to pull that area, or you raise your brows. That way, that area is firm and you minimize the risk of cutting yourself. So I'm just going slowly and gently because I don't want to have any cut. I'll keep going gently till I get my desired shape. So I'm taking my time. It's not that hard actually. Just take your time. So I'm taking my time and I'm going bit by bit, section by section, just to make sure that I clean it up and I don't cut myself. So the same way we took out all the excess hair peeking through from up, we're going to do that for the lower part as well. So I'm just going to brush it down now, and every hair that exceeds that line that I created, can you see? So I'll just take that off as well. That way, in whatever direction I brush my brows, I am sure that it's going to be arranged. And that's the easy eyebrow grooming tutorial using razor blade. I use blade a lot because I don't like to use tweezers. I can't stand the pain. But if you like to use tweezers, it's basically the same process. Just follow the shape of your eyebrow or the shape that you desire. So I'll be showing you the second eyebrow as well. So in case you didn't get it the first time, you can watch this one as well. And if you're new to my channel, this is the Bell Makeovers. I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram at the Bell Makeovers. If you have any questions about this eyebrow grooming tutorial, ask me in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer you. At the end of this video, you will see what the brows looked like when I finished drawing them. I used a technique that is very good for people with oily skin. As you can see, I have very oily face. So I used a technique that keeps the brows matte all day. If you would like to see how I drew the eyebrow, let me know in the comment section as well. If you found this video helpful or you learned a thing or two about eyebrow grooming, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also leave a comment. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it before you leave. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my